Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Microsoft Teams calendar for meetings. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the activity, the community, chat, and the calendar, which we will talk about later. And in the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Microsoft Teams calendar for meetings. So first of all, launch the Teams app on your desktop or web browser and click on the calendar icon on the left sidebar. So it is here. Then click plus new meeting button in the top right corner of the calendar. Here it is. Enter the meeting title, add required attendance, set the date and time, and add a brief description if necessary. If this is a recurring meeting, click on does not repeat to set your preferred recurrence pattern. If you want to host the meeting in specific Teams channel, click on add channel. Once all details are filled in, click save to send our invitation. The meeting will now appear in your calendar and attendance calendar. At the scheduled time, click on meeting in your calendar and select join. Use the calendar to track all meetings, reschedule if needed, and manage your meeting settings. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.